Welcome to this tutorial for quarter 8 of the simulation. There's not much to do in 8 other than update things and watch yourself make money if you did everything correctly. If you have problems, then you got to go back and review quarters 2 through quarter 7 tutorials. All right, so the few things you have to worry about in quarter 8 are if you haven't bought all the R&D, you might buy a cheap one like maybe the tote basket or the LEDs or the bright decals because they're cheap, and I would get them over 2 quarters. Don't have them available till quarter 10, okay? Because you never get to use it in the game, okay? If you haven't put in like the latest things in your brands, in your R&D, you might need to update that. Like if you added the Superior Carbon, you would put that in your brands, especially Speed Mountain Wreck. Next, pricing, you might go a little bit higher, like 15 or 1300 for Mountain Speed. Edge it up if when you add all those R&D items. Advertising wise, again, you would update your speed. You couldn't say top speed unless you bought the Superior Carbon now. Then you'd have to remove it if you didn't get the Superior Carbon and just say enriched carbon at that point. Okay? All right. Other things, local media should be no problem. Same stuff you had before if you did it right. Regional media, same stuff you had before if you did it right. Internet, same stuff, no changes unless you didn't finish it right. Paid SEM, you do have to update because it changes every quarter. So you got to raise it and increase your budgets. Social media, also, the curves change again. You have to update them. Sales channel, if you have all your people ready to go, you should have 20 here, not 14. This is an old game I'm using. Then it's ready to go if you have 20 everywhere. Sales programs, you shouldn't have to update these if you did them correctly. All right, in quarter 7. And these should not need to be updated if you did them correctly in quarter 7. You just leave them the way they are. And that's about it. Okay. Good luck, and I hope you do well in the simulation.